guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Alright, so this is me finally giving you guys an update. I feel like I never come and do like an update on my crochet braids, but I have people asking me all the time, how did it work out, how did it do, working out, getting it wet. So this is just me answering all of those questions in video form. So we'll go through that really quick, and then I'll give you the details on the giveaway, because I know when you saw giveaway, you clicked this video. So let's get into the details. All right, really quick, I'll put a picture up here. This is the Lulutress Chunky Twist Out 10 inches. I'm wearing color 1, and I put 2 packs of hair, almost 2 packs of hair in this. I've had this hair in for, where's my phone? I've had this hair in for 17 days, so a little over 2 weeks. I'm taking it out tomorrow, so it lasts me about 2.5 weeks, which, as I told a lot of people, that's about the length of my crochet braids. Could this hair go another week and a half or 2 weeks? Absolutely. I just like to change up. So I've had this hair in, like I said, for 17 days. That's about the time that I normally keep crochet braids in, 17 to 20 days, so about 2.5 to right at 3 weeks. Absolutely love it. I did a really quick, really short video on how I basically maintain my hair every morning. It's really quick, it's really short. I think it's less than 4 minutes. I will put it in the description box for those people that did not see it, and that answers a lot of people's questions, like how was I able to do my leave out, how was I able to blend it, how am I able to get the hair every morning, because it's synthetic hair. So the way that I have it in, it comes very poofed out whenever I take it out of the ponytail. All those questions are answered in that video. Please go to that video and watch it, and then if I didn't answer your question, you can ask me a question related on that video. But I'm pretty sure I tried to answer every question that I normally get about like the daily maintaining of crochet braids. All right, hair on a scale of 1 to 10, hair quality. Absolutely love this hair. Like I said, it's not as silky as the Freetress Go-Go Curl. It's not as coarse as the Freetress Ringlet Wand Curl. It's very much in the middle, very minimal. Like I said, if you guys go to the other video, that's videos less than 4 minutes. That's in real time. I probably anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes to do my hair every morning, which to me, that's why I like it being a protective style. 1, it's protecting your hair, and then 2, there's not that much daily maintenance. I only flat twist my hair once every 3 to 4 days, so that even takes even less time when I'm not having to unravel the twist, because I can just take it down, fluff it out, put a little bit of light oil in it, and then just keep it moving. Relatively easy, relatively simple. Working out with the hair, no problem whatsoever. I've worked out 5 to 6 days a week. I've done everything from boxing to cycling to Pilates, none whatsoever. All I simply do is I put it up in a ponytail, and then I have this really, let me show you. And this is not even a sweatband. I think I got this from Target, but it's this really wide headband. And so I just put it in half, and that's what I use to put on my hair. And that's only because it doesn't really stop the sweat, so your hair is going to sweat, because like I said, this is like a cotton, but it kind of hides the braids that I have going on back here that I really don't want people to see in public. So that's all I do. Put it up in a bun, put this around it, go work out, and then just take it down after. Easy, simple, didn't have a lot of knots, didn't have a lot of flyaways, that anything that's not expected with a synthetic crochet braid install. So working out, definite A+. Getting it wet, I didn't completely get it submerged, but the few times that I did get it more wet, it was a little too kinky the next morning. Like, I know how normally long it takes to do my daily routine, and whenever I got it wet, more so on this side than on this side, and it was just, I was in a swimming pool, and so I never got my hair submerged, but it was a lot of splashes, so it got like more wet than usual. This side was a little bit kinkier than this side. So love this hair, but if you plan on going on vacation and getting your hair completely submerged, I would advise against it, because I don't think it's cut out to be like completely wet. And it could just be the fact that I was in chlorine water, and maybe non-chlorine water won't have that. I don't know. It's just from my personal opinion, I wouldn't get this hair completely submerged. This isn't a tropical vacation hair. That's just my personal opinion from my experience with that. And then as far as my nighttime routine, it's basically the same thing as I do with my normal hair. Put it up in a high ponytail, put it up in a high bun, put a satin cap on it, or a satin scarf, whichever one you can find. Go to bed, wake up in the morning, and then the daily routine that I have out there shows you guys exactly what I do to try to like take it down and fluff it out, and even like clip away or snip away any like flyaways. Overall, love this hair. On a scale of 1 to 10, with a 10 being, oh my god, absolutely yes, it's probably going to be probably about like 8.5. Just simply because I can't give that other 1.5 points, because a 10 is like you can do everything. You can work out in it, you can get it wet, it's easy to maintain, and that is 2 of the 3. So it's easy to maintain and you can work out in it, but I wouldn't suggest you get it completely wet, just simply because of what I experienced not even getting it fully submerged. So that's my overall opinion. Now let's get into the details of the giveaway. All right, details of the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be in conjunction with Instagram. So if you do not have an Instagram account, it's free to create one. So make sure that you have an Instagram account. For those that are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram channel will be up here. Just simply go to that. And all you have to do is, I'll put up a picture. So go to this picture, right? And then I need you to leave this code word. I'll put the code word up here. So Instagram channel, code word, no, Instagram channel, picture, and then this is the code word. So leave the code word and then leave like some type of heart emoji on whatever cell phone, iPhone, Android, whatever. So it's, my Instagram name is at Livinfearelss, LIVIN_fearless. This is a picture I want you guys to go and comment under, and the comment that I want you guys to put is fearless with whatever emoji. I'm going to post this on a Friday. Yeah, so this will be posted on a Friday. So the giveaway will run up until Sunday, and I'll announce the winner that Monday. I will DM you. So if you are new to Instagram, that's basically I'm going to private message you. And as long as you're following me, whether you're public or private, you should be able to get the message. If you're not following me, well, I'm going to pick somebody else because you should be following me. Like I said, I'm giving away the 2 packs of hair that I did not use to do this install, so you can have this lovely voluminous install for free of charge, as a kind of way of thanking you guys for supporting me throughout the year. The year is winding up. It's been a very productive year, a very successful year for me, and I know that that would not happen if it wasn't for each and every one of you guys coming on my Instagram channel, coming on my Instagram page, my YouTube channel, giving me love and support and encouragement, and that really means a lot. For those people that may not hear it from us influencers, I am grateful for every single one of you. I try to respond, answer any questions. I try to do that because I know that without you guys, I am absolutely nothing on this platform. And for that, I appreciate you guys sticking with me as I work through my creativity. Check out all my other videos, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you see new videos that pop up. I'm about to take some NyQuil, or no, Dayquil. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm about to take some Dayquil, and hopefully I can get over this yuck, because I'm leaving for Mexico in like a week and a half, so I need to be better. So I'm gonna quit talking. Thank you guys.